Okay, good evening everyone. Let's start with the next class of blood relation. Last class we have started the topic blood relation. In last class we have understood the concept of blood relation. In today's class we are going to deal with the questions. Okay. Okay, is my voice is audible, dear? Is I am audible to everyone? Is I am audible to everyone? Is my voice is clear? Anyone, any problem? Anyone, any problem? Okay. See, in the last class we have seen that whenever any question based on blood relation is going to come, my job is to draw the family tree. My job is to draw the family tree. Clear? And whenever we have to draw the family tree, we need to consider two things. First, what relation they have given and whose gender is given to me. Relation and gender must be considered in order to draw the family tree. Okay? Okay, last class what we have understood that any relation will be of two types, direct or indirect. Any relation will be either direct or indirect. Direct is what all those relations which are directly related to me, they are called as direct. If any relation is formed with some other person, third person, that will be called as indirect. Okay. Okay, last class we have understood how to draw the family tree. How to draw the family tree. For example, suppose they have given P is the father of Q. How to draw the family tree for this one? P is the father of Q means what? Who is going to be the father? P is going to be the father. So father always means plus 1. A gap of one generation and father will be one generation ahead. Plus 1 means a gap of one generation and father will be obviously ahead. So simple, how to plot this one? I will say one gap of one generation means one arrow and P will be above followed by Q. And thereafter, who is given to be the father? P is going to be the father, so P should be male. So complete will be square. Q can be male or Q can be female also, not sure. Next one. R is the mother of S. Mother stands for what? Plus 1. So who is plus 1? R. So plus 1 means gap of one arrow, R will be above followed by S. R is mother means R must be female. R must be female. Next one. T is the sun. Sun means what? Minus 1. Sun means minus 1. Who will be minus 1? T. Minus means below. So 1 means a gap of one generation. So here it will be T followed by U. Clear? Already we have understood this concept in the last class. Already this part we have done in the last class. Next, X is a daughter of Y. Daughter means what? Minus 1. Who is daughter? X. So I will say Y over X. X daughter means X is female. Here T is son, so T must be male. Last one, A is the grandfather. Grandfather means grand always means gap of two generation. So grandfather will be plus 2. Who will be plus 2? A. So plus 2 means a gap of two arrows. A will be on the top followed by B. A is the grandfather, so A must be male. Clear? See, this part we have understood in the last class. This part we have understood in the last class. Okay, let's go with the next one. How to plot? See, generation gap already we have discussed. Enough discussion we have done in the last class. Always remember this arrow always stands for generation gap. This arrow always stands for generation gap. And just above the arrow it will be father, mother. Just below the arrow it will be son and daughter. For male I am going to use square. For the female I am going to use circle. P is male, so P and then square. Q is female, Q and then circle. Concept of minus 1 stands for, see, 1 stands for a gap of one generation. Minus 1 means, See, -1 means a gap of one generation, and minus means 1 means a gap of one generation, one arrow is going to come, and minus means this person will be below. Minus means after my generation, so below. So x will be below, y will be at the top. Same is over here. -1 means what? A gap of one generation. Minus is t, so t will be below, for you will be at the top. Clear? Okay. How to plot brother sister in my family tree? So for brother sister, I'm going to use equal to sign in between them. Equal to stands for brother sister relationship. P is the brother of Q, so P will be equal to Q. P is brother means P will be male. Next one, R is sister of S, so R equal to S. R is sister means circle. Next, U and V are brothers. U and V are brothers means both are male. X and Y sisters means both will be female. So whenever any relation based on brother sister or brother sister is going to come, my symbol will be equal to sign in between them. Equal to stands for brother sister relationship. Next one, how to show married couples in the family tree. Married couple always stands for this symbol, equal to sign arrow at the last. P is the husband of Q. Husband means married couple, so P equal to arrow at the last Q. P is the husband means P is male and Q must be female. Clear? Here's the next one. R is the spouse of S. A spouse means what? The other partner of the married couple is called as a spouse. So R is the spouse means R and S both must be married couple. I can't comment anything about their gender. Clear? Okay, done. Chalo. Okay. Now suppose the example says S is uncle of T. How to plot this one? Let's talk about indirect. Let's talk about indirect. S is uncle of T. See, whenever any indirect relation is going to come, indirect, uncle. So the best way to plot this one is always introduce yourself in the problem. Try to introduce yourself in the problem. Now here they are saying S is the uncle of T. So who is uncle? S. Who is uncle? S. So if S is uncle, I will assume myself as T. I will assume myself as T. Means what? I will become T and my uncle will be S. Now who is called as uncle? Uncle is nothing but my father or mother's brother. My father or mother brothers will be my uncle. So here they are saying S is uncle of T means what? If I am T, so my father mother will come over here. And my father mother brother means what? Equal to. Equal to stands for brother. Will be my uncle. And who is uncle? S. Uncle means male. Whenever any indirect relation is going to come, then best way to solve the problem is always introduce yourself as the other person. Here they have given S is the uncle. So who is uncle? S is uncle. So let's assume yourself as T. Just see, P is the father-in-law of Q. Who is father-in-law? P is the father-in-law of whom what? Q. So since here P is the father-in-law, so I will assume myself as Q. Assuming myself as Q means I am assuming I am Q. It never means Q will be male. Gender you should not assume. Always assume yourself to be Q, but don't assume the gender. So I will say I am Q, now my father-in-law is P. Father-in-law is nothing but what? My spouse father. My spouse father will be my father-in-law. So I will say if I am over here Q, my spouse will be over here. And father-in-law means what? Spouse father will be above spouse. Above spouse, and that will be P. So P is what? Father-in-law, male. Clear? A is the son-in-law of B. A is the son-in-law of B. Who is called as son-in-law? Son-in-law is nothing but my daughter's husband. My daughter's husband will be my son-in-law. So here I will assume myself to be B as A is son-in-law. So if A is son-in-law, B means what? If A is my son-in-law, it means A will be my daughter's husband. Means in order to plot son-in-law, I have to plot my daughter. So let's start. This is B. My daughter will be one generation after. Here comes my circle, means female daughter. And daughter's husband will be my son-in-law. So here comes my son-in-law. Son-in-law will be male, so put one square. Clear? Next one. T is the mother-in-law of you. So who is the mother-in-law? T. Mother-in-law is nothing but spouse mother. Spouse mother. So what I will say? I will say if I am you, then my spouse mother will be T. My spouse mother will be T. So if I am you, so my spouse mother, okay. If I am you, so I have to plot my spouse. Here comes my spouse. See, I am assuming myself to be you. It never means you will be male. Don't assume the gender. So here comes my spouse. And spouse father will be my, spouse mother will be my mother-in-law. So here comes mother and this is mother-in-law. Clear? See in the next one. They have given R is the daughter-in-law of S. R is the daughter-in-law of S. Who is called as daughter-in-law? Is nothing but my son's wife. Son's wife will be my daughter-in-law. And who is daughter-in-law? R. It means if I am S, then my son's wife will be R. My son's wife will be R. So if I am S, so I have to plot my son. Here comes my son. And son's wife will be R. So son's wife means female. Clear? Okay. Okay, let's go with the next one. How to plot this one? P and Q are male cousin. See, very often examiner will not give to plot this cousin, but examiner may ask one problem where the answer can be cousin. So my job is to find out how to plot this statement. P and Q are male cousin. Who can plot this one? If the examiner says P and Q are male cousin, how to plot this one? Okay. See, who are called as cousin? Who are called as cousin? Cousins is nothing but he or she will be just like my brother and sister, but can't be my real brother and sister. Cousin means my uncle's son or my uncle's daughter will be my cousin. My aunt's son, my aunt's daughter will be my cousin. So here they are saying P and Q are male cousin. See, remember, if you are going to plot like this, this is absolutely wrong. This will be absolutely wrong because equal to always stands for real brother sister, and real brother sisters cannot be cousin. Equal to always stands for real brother sisters, and real brother sisters cannot be cousin. Cousin. So very obvious this can't be my answer. So how to plot cousin then? How to plot cousin in the exam? Okay. Now here they are saying P and Q are male cousins. Let's assume I am assuming myself to be P. I am assuming myself to be P. So here I am P and I have to draw my cousin, which is Q. So who is cousin? Cousin is nothing but my uncle or aunt son will be my cousin. Both will be given to be male. My uncle or aunt son will be my cousin. Means if you have to plot cousin, I have to plot my uncle and aunt, and their son will be my cousin. So let's start. Who is uncle aunt? Uncle aunt is nothing but my father or mother brother. My father or mother brother will be my cousin. So let's start. Sorry. My father or mother brother will be my uncle or aunt. Okay, let's start. Let's assume myself to be P. So here comes my father, mother. And my father, mother, brother, sister will be my uncle or aunt. And their children will be my cousin. Both are given to be male. So always remember, my dear, the best concept that you need to understand is, if the two variable comes in the same generation, and if there is no symbol in between them, they always stands for cousin. If the two variable comes in the same generation, and if no symbol comes in between them, they will be called as a cousin. Because if in between the symbol comes out to be equal to, means they are real brother, can be real sisters. Clear? So if no symbol comes in between any two variable in the same generation, they will be called as cousins. Okay, so that completes the basic concept of blood relation. Let's start with question number 1. Let's do it. I'm starting with very, very easy questions, and slowly and gradually I will increase the level of the problem. See, whenever any problem based on this will be given, my job is to plot one family tree. But dear, whenever you plot a family tree, you need to read one statement in one go. Don't read the complete passage in one go. Read one statement at one time. And while reading the statement, always keep in mind two things. You need to find out the relation, and you need to find out the gender. Out of the two persons, they might give gender of only one person. Always remember, if the relation given is apart from husband-wife, then in that case, only the gender of the first person will be known. Last person won't be known. Okay, let's start question number 1. First statement, C is the brother of A. So C is the brother of A means what? C will be equal to A. And C is the brother means C will be male. See, C is the brother means what? Gender of C will be known to me. A won't be. Now B is the daughter of A. So gender of B will be known to me. And B is nothing but daughter of A. Daughter means one step below. So here comes B. And B is daughter. Next one. E is the sister of C. So here comes C. So C adjacent will be E. And E is nothing but sister. Sister means female. So in between E and C we will have equal to. And E sister means female. Clear? Next one. D is the brother of B. Brother means D should be male. Just see, I can't find the gender of B from this statement. So D is the brother of B means what? B. So D will be over here, and D is nothing but brother. Now the question is, who is the uncle of D? Uncle is nothing but D's father or mother's brother will be uncle. D's father or mother's brother will be a uncle. So D is over here. These two are brother sister. So B's father or mother means D's father or mother. So this will be father or mother of D. And brother is C. So I will say C is the uncle. So who is the uncle? The answer comes out to be C. Clear? Anyone, any problem? Let's do it. I want the answer for this one from each one of you. What's the answer for this one? Here they are saying A is the father of C. A is the father of C. So I will say A is nothing but father of C. A is father means A must be male. But C is not his son. So A is the father, but C is not his son means C must be daughter. C must be daughter. Next one. E is the daughter of C. So now they are saying E is the daughter of C. Okay, let's plot it over here. A. Below will be C. Okay. Then here they are saying E is the daughter of C. So E will be over here, and E is nothing but daughter. Next one, F is the spouse of A. So F and A must be married couple. So F will be over here. Okay, F is the spouse means F is the partner of A. So if A is the male, so F must be female. Next one, B is the brother of C. So here they are saying B is nothing but brother of C. So C brothers will be B, and B is the brother means B must be male. You just need to read one statement in one go, and simply you have to draw the family tree. Next one, D is the son of B. So D is the son means B is over here, so B's son will be D. Clear? B is the son of D. Next one, G is the spouse of B. Spouse means what? B and G must be married couple. So G must be female. Here they are saying G is the spouse of B means what? B and G must be married couple. So if B is male, then G must be female. Next one, H is the father of G. So H is the father of G means H will be over here. And that completes my family tree. Okay. Question number 1. Who is the grandmother of D? So D grandmother means 2 generation above. Grandmother will be always 2 generation above. So D is over here 2 generation above. Grandmother will be F, as these two are male. The answer should be F. Next one, who is the son of F? Who is the son of F? See, F is over here. So these two are married couple, and this is daughter and this must be son, as these two are brother sister. So answer should be B. B is the son of F. Clear? Anyone, any problem? Okay, let's go with the next one. Simple one, very, very simple one. I think you might be facing and seeing the problem. Is this okay now? Are you able to see the questions clearly now? I think this is okay now. Okay, first statement, A, B, C are sisters. Means what? All of them are sisters, means A, B and C. All are sisters. Next one, D is the brother of E. Now they are saying D is the brother of E. Just see, out of D and E, nobody has come in my family tree. So let's plot it somewhere else. So D is brother of E. Brother means male. Next one, E is the daughter of B. So E is the daughter of B. E is the daughter. And E adjacent will be D, and D is nothing but male. So this cancel. Question is, how is A related to D? How is A related to D? So A is nothing but what? How is A related to D? D is over here, we have to find A. So these two are what? Brother, sister, mother. So this will be D's mother. And my mother's sister will be my what? Aunt. So answer is A is nothing but aunt of D. A is nothing but aunt of D. Yes, D. LK. बहुत बढ़िया. Clear? Typical question. Who will give me the answer of this one? I just want to see who will give me the answer for this one. Yes, what's the answer for this one? See, here they are saying A and B are married couple, A being the male member. So I will say A and B are married couple, and out of these two, A is the male member. So B must be female. Who got the answer for this one? Anyone who got the answer for this one? Anyone who got the answer for this one? Okay, next one. D is the only son of C. So they are saying D is the only son of C. So C will have one son, D. D is the only son of C. Who is the brother of A? Who stands for who? Whenever this word who and whose is going to come, who and whose is going to come, who ya which, always stands for person near to him. So who near person is what? Is nothing but C. So I will say C is the brother of A. So C is the brother of A means what? Adjacent to A must be C, and C is the brother. And below C must be D. So D will be over here, and D is male. Clear? Next one. D is the brother of E. Now they are saying D is nothing but brother of E. So D should be brother of E means D is the male. Okay, LK is saying answer should be E. Okay, next one. B is the daughter-in-law of F. Who is called as daughter-in-law? Daughter-in-law is nothing but my son's wife. My son's wife will be my daughter-in-law. So if here B is the daughter-in-law means what? B is the son's wife of B is son's wife of F. Means what? F son's wife will be B. F son's wife will be B. So this is just see. B is the wife of A means what? F sons will be A. So A must be F. Sorry, F must be over here. See here they are saying B is the daughter-in-law of F. Daughter-in-law is nothing but son's wife. So what I can say F son's wife will be B. F son's wife will be B. And we know B is the wife of A means what? A must be son of F. So A will be over here. Whose husband has died? So who stands for F? So F husband has died means F must be female. F must be female. Clear? Now the question is, how is E related to C? So here I am not getting the gender of E. Here I am not getting the gender of E, so answer will be CBD. But always remember CBD is the wrong answer. Here is the twist. Here comes the twist. If you mark E as the answer, E will be absolutely wrong answer. Now where is the mistake? Where I have done the mistake? So my dear, always remember one word, only. Only, the most dangerous word. Whenever this word only is going to come, only means only is the most dangerous word. Now here you just see. They have written one statement that D is the only son of C. D is the only son of C. Means what? C will have only one son as D. And rest all will be daughter. Understood or not understood? See, they have given D is the only son of C. Means D will have only one son as D. Sorry, C will have only one son as D. And rest all will be daughter. So from here what I can assume? C will have only one son as D. Means E must be daughter. Gender of E is known to me by using the word only. Clear? Now they are saying how is E related to C? So I will say E is nothing but daughter of C. So answer should be B. Answer should be B. Clear? LK, I think I am clear now. Whenever this word only is going to come, you need to be very, very careful in the exam, because only means nobody else can be the son or daughter of that person. Clear? Okay. Let's go with a new concept. Okay, let's do this one. Heidi, just give me 2 minutes. I'll be back in just 2 minutes. Just 2 minutes. I have to make one urgent call. Just give me 2 minutes. You please get out the answer for this one. I will get, once I will come back, I will solve this one. Yes. What's the answer for this one? Sorry, my dear. Sorry. It was very urgent call, so I need to take this call because continuously n number of times. Okay. Now here they're saying X is the husband of you. So let's plot it. X is the husband of you. So you must be female. Next one, R is the mother-in-law of you. R is the mother-in-law of you means what? R cannot be mother of you. R is the mother of you means R cannot be the mother of you. So R must be mother of X. R must be mother of X. Next one, N is the father-in-law of X. N is the father-in-law of X. So N is the father-in-law of X means N cannot be the father of, sorry, N is the father of X. Sorry, N is the father of X. So N is the father of X means X, N must be over here and these two must be married couple. Next one, S is the mother of N. So now they are saying S is the mother means S will be over here. S is the mother of N. Next one, T is the mother of R and O. So again they have given a clue that T is the mother of R and O. So I will say T is the mother of R and O. Out of R and O, who is male, who is female is not given to me. Since T, R, O has not come in my family tree, so I have plotted over here. Now straightway they have asked the question, how is O related to N? How is O related to N? I think I have done some mistake. X is the husband of you, okay. R is the mother-in-law of you, so R must be over here, mother-in-law. N is the father of X, so X father is N, correct. S is the mother of N, S is the mother of N, correct. T is the mother of R and O. Now how is O related to N? So here I am not getting any relation between O and N over here. See, here nothing is common, here nothing, out of these two nothing is common, so my answer will be cannot be determined, E. Answer should be E. Clear? Okay. Now let's understand one very, very important concept based on blood relation, and this is going to come in your exam. This is previous year questions of banking. Previous year questions of banking. Who will solve this one? Now here they are saying there are 6 persons A, B, C, D, E, F in a family. It means what? In the family tree we need to plot 6 persons A to F. Here they are saying there are 6 persons A, B, C, D, E, F in the family. It means in the family tree I need to plot 6 persons A to F. Statement number 1. C is the sister of F. First one they are saying C is the sister of F. Means what? C must be sister of F. So let's plot it. C is the sister of F. F gender is not known to me. Only thing I can say is C is the sister, means C must be female. Clear? Next one. B is the brother of E's husband. B is the brother of E's husband. It means what? E must have one husband. And whose brother will be E? Whose brother will be C? E. Whose brother will be B? Sorry. B is the brother of E's husband. It means what? E must have one husband. E must have one husband means E must be female. And here comes husband. Clear? So they are saying B is the brother of E's husband. So E's husband is this and brother will be B. Brother means B must be male. E's husband means E must be female and this person must be male. And brother will be given to be B. Next one. D is the father of A and grandfather of F. Another clue. They have given D is the father of A. So D is nothing but father of A and grandfather of F. D is the father of A and grandfather of F. Clear? Now they are saying there are there are 2 fathers, 3 brothers and a mother in the group. So now till now we have got 3 family tree, 3 different family tree. Now my job is to combine them and get a single family tree. My job is to combine them and get a single family tree. How to combine this one? How to combine this one? So first clue I can get is C is the sister of F. So means what? F adjacent will be C. So here comes C. Clear? Now we need to find out out of these person, who is going to come over here? Who is going to come over here? Who is going to come over here? Now let's understand one concept. Let's understand one concept. Suppose in any problem, let's say they are talking about 3 generations. They are talking about 3 generations, 1, 2 and 3. Clear? And if they have given there are 2 married couples in the family, what does it mean? Suppose in the problem they are talking about 3 different generations, and if they have given there are 2 married couple in the family, it always means the 2 married couple must be in the first and second generation. If in the problem, if they are talking about 3 generations, and if they have given there are 2 married couples in the family, it always means, remember this, always means the first married couple will be in the first generation and second will be in the second generation. Clear? Now, suppose example number 2. Suppose in any problem they are talking about 3 generations, 1, 2 and 3. And now they are saying there is only one married couple in the family. There is only one married couple in the family. Then one married couple should be in which generation? First, second or third? What will be the answer? If the examiner says there are 3 in the in the problem they are talking about 3 generations, and if the examiner says there is only one married couple in the family, then always remember that married couple must be in the second generation. Must be in the second generation. See, if I use this concept over here, so here in this one I am talking about 3 generations. And there is one married couple in the family. E is married to blank. E is married to blank. It means what? It means this blank must be A only, because this married couple needs to become in the second generation. So let's combine these two. So once I will combine, so what I can say? Let's combine. So A will come over here. A is married to E. A is married to E. A is married to E, and A's brother will be B, and this is going to be my family tree. Just in the last statement they are saying there are 2 fathers. One father will be D, father of A, and other father will be F, father of C and F. Yes, Lavi, absolutely correct, second generation. Then they are saying there is one mother. Mother must be E, mother of C and F. And at last they are saying there are 3 brothers in the family. There are 3 brothers means what? First brother will be A, brother of B. Second brother will be B, brother of A. First brother will be A, brother of B. Second will be B, brother of A. And the third must be F only, because these 2 are female and cannot be brothers. So means third brother needs to be F. So from the last statement I get to know the gender of F. Clear? So my family tree comes out to be this one. This is my complete family tree. Okay, let's start with question number 1. Which of the following is a group of brothers? So group of brothers comes out to be what? Brothers will be A, B and F. So my answer will be A, B and F. So answer should be A, B and F means C. Next one. Who is E's husband? So E's husband comes out to be what? A. E's husband comes out to be A. So answer should be none. A. Next one. Who is the mother? Who is the mother? So who is the mother over here? So E is the mother. So answer should be E. Next one. How many male members are there in a group? How many male members? So male members will be 1, 2, 3 and 4. So there are 4 male members in the family. So answer should be 4. Next one. How is F related to E? How is F related to E? So E is over here, F is over here. These 2 are married couples. So A's son means F will be E's son also. So answer should be son. Clear? So once you are able to draw the family tree, you will get 5 out of 5 in the exam. Done? Okay. Let's go with the next one. Okay, that completes our type number 1. That completes our type number 1. Okay, let's start with type number 2. Type number 2 is called as coded relationship. Most important for your exam. Most important for your exam. Type number B. Now type number 2 will be, question will be something like this. Now here they will give symbol with, they will give relation with respect to some symbol. See here what they are saying, P plus Q means P is the father of Q. P minus Q means P is the mother of Q. P cross Q means P is the brother of Q. P division Q means P is the sister of Q. P star Q means P is the son of Q. P hash Q means P is the daughter of Q. This direction will be given to you. This direction will be given to you in the exam. Now here they are saying how is A related to F in the following expression. Here they have given one big expression and then your job is to find the relation between A and F. You have to find how is A related to F. How to solve these sort of question in the exam. How to solve these sort of question in the exam. Okay. Let's understand the basic concept. See, whenever any question based on coded relation is going to come, examiner will give this direction. This direction may or may not be the same. It's not fixed that plus always stands for father. They use any symbol. They can use some number. They can use some symbol. Any symbol they can use. Any number they can use. Clear? So whenever any direction is given to you like this, your first job is to see who has come at the first place. Means what? Here I will say, P plus Q means P comes at the first and then Q. P plus Q means P is the father of Q, means first person comes at the first place and last person comes as the last place. Here also just see, first person come as the first place, first person come as the first place, first person come as the first place, and so on. So in all the 6 directions, what I can see, first person comes at the first place. Okay, in the exam, this can also be possible that the last person can come at the first place. For example, just see this one. For example, just see this one. Say in this direction, what I can say, they have given P plus Q means Q is the father of Q. So last person comes at the first place. Clear? 2 possibility will be there. Either the first person is going to come at the first place or the last person is going to come at the first place. So first job is to see who is going to come at the first place. First person is coming at the first or last person is coming at the first. So here in this one I can say last person is going to come at the first. And in the previous one I can say first person is coming at the first place. Clear? Then let's decode the symbol. Let's decode the symbol. Now here they are saying P plus Q means P is the father. So plus stands for father. Plus stands for father. Minus stands for mother. Cross stands for, cross means P is the brother. So P cross stands for brother. Next one, division stands for sister. Next one, star stands for son. And last one, hash stands for daughter. So I have decoded this one. Clear? Now, they are asking how is A related to F in the following expression. So, whenever any expression will be given to you, my first job is to draw one family tree. So, how to draw the family tree based on these sort of questions? How to plot the family tree based on these sort of questions? See, whenever we need to plot the family tree, the best technique is just take first 2, next 2, next 2, next 2, next 2, like this. Take the first 2. Next 2, next 2, next 2, and next 2. Clear? Then, just see direction. Since the first person has come at the first place, so if I will take the first 2, I will read first person first and then I will read the last person. Since first person comes at the first place, so whenever I will take any 2, I will read first person first and last person thereafter. So this hash stands for what? Hash stands for daughter. So if this symbol stands for daughter, so I will read A is the daughter of B. I will read A is the daughter of B as first person comes at the first place. If first person comes at the first place, then whenever you take any 2, you need to read the first person first. So I will say A is the daughter of B. So let's plot it. B is over here, so A is the daughter. Next one, B plus. Plus stands for what? Father. So what I will say, B is the father of C. So B is the father of C. Next one, C. Star stands for son. Star stands for son. So I will say C is the son of D. So C is the son of D. So D must be over here. Now just see, since these two have equal to sign in between them, since A and C has equal to sign in between them, means what? A and C must be real brother sister. And if these two are real brother sister, then they must be husband wife. Then B and D must be husband wife. Why? If these two are real brother and sister, means what? These two must be the children of these two persons, means they must be married couple. Next one, D is the mother of F. Sorry, D is the mother of E. So D is the mother of E. And last one, E is this symbol stands for sister. E is the sister of F. So E is the sister of F. And here comes my family tree. Here comes my family tree. Why C and D? See, C and D is only possible if we don't know the gender of A. Here we know the gender of A. See, here examiner is saying how is A related to F. Means you need to tell what will be the relation of A with respect to F. How is A related to F? A will be what of F? That's the question. So, here I can say F and A all will have equal to sign, means brother, sister. And since A being female, so A must be sister of F. The answer should be C. C and D cannot be. Understood, my dear? Suppose in the same problem, if they have asked, how is F related to A? How is F related to A? In that case, my answer can be CBD. Because I don't know the gender of F. I don't know the gender of F. But here they are asking, how is A related to F? So A related to F means the gender of A must be known. And here I know the A should be female. Clear? Now if I ask you, can you solve these questions without drawing this family tree? Can you solve these questions without drawing this family tree? What will be your answer? Yes or no? If I say the same problem has come in the exam, can you solve these questions without touching the pen or without plotting this family tree? Yes or no? What will be your answer? Yes or no? I need reply from each one of you. I am still waiting. Yes or no? Can we solve these questions without touching the pen? At least respond here. Yes or no? What do you think? I think you must have read this reasoning earlier also. And this is nothing but bookish method. And this sort of question is going to come in your banking examinations. So my question is, can you solve these questions without touching the pen? Lavi is saying, no sir, we can't do it. It's not possible. So now, always remember, whenever any question based on this is going to come, you should not draw the family tree. Because this question can be solved without touching the pen. And how this question can be done without touching the pen, that part we are going to discuss tomorrow at 6 o'clock. Because time is very less, only 5 minutes are left, so it's not possible to complete this in 5 minutes. So in next class, tomorrow at 6 o'clock, I will give a complete detailed solution of this one, how to get the answer without touching the pen. Clear? So I want each of you to be present in tomorrow's class, because this sort of question is going to come in your banking examination. Tomorrow will be the 3rd class of blood relation. Hopefully in the 4th class, hopefully we are going to wind up this topic. Clear? With the expectations that everybody must have understood today's class, and everybody will come in the next class. And that's all for today. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Take care. Love you all. Take care. Goodbye. Thank you.